I'm Richard Stewart, Deputy Commissioner of Police with responsibility for Administration and Support Services portfolio of the JCF, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at Transformations JCF 2023, our People, Quality and Technology Expo being staged between May 11 and 14 at the National Arena. The men and women of the JCF are being trained in the rudiments of many new and emerging technologies and quality management processes currently being implemented in the force. Come and see for yourself how JCF members are competently deploying these technologies to fight crime, maintain law and order, and keep you safe. May 11 to 14 at the National Arena. Transformations JCF 2023, the People, Quality and Technology Expo will be an exciting event you don't want to miss.